Okay guys, today I will tell you what are the best drones for beginners in 2021. Okay guys, I understand that it's very exciting to have a drone, but not every drone is made for you. And if you are barely starting or want to start flying drones, here are the best 5 drones for beginners in 2021. Number 1, the DJI Mini 2. This drone has a 6.2 mile range and withstands wind up to 19 to 20 miles per hour. It has a 3-axis gimbal for smooth footage and records 4K at 30 frames per second. The flight time is 30 minutes long and captures 12 megapixel photos. It is a perfect drone to start your flying time, and the cost is only $599 US. Number 2, the Ryze Tag Tello is a drone that literally you can use as your first flight drone. Even if you crash it, it won't be as hurtful as crashing a DJI drone. It's a smart interactive drone that records 720p video and 5 megapixel photos, which I think is extremely low, but I mean for the price, for this drone, I mean it's okay. It has a compatible Bluetooth controllers and a free Tello app that is very user friendly. The cost of this drone is $149 US for the whole combo. So that's why I tell you, if you crash it, it won't be as hurtful. Number 3, DJI Mavic Air 2. This drone is a little more expensive than the Mini 2, but definitely has more video and photo capabilities. It records 8K hyperlapse. It flies up to 34 minutes. It has focus track subject modes. If your subjects have in motion, you can track them. It records 4K at 60 frames per second video and 48 megapixel photos. The price of this drone is $988 US. Number 4, the DJI Mavic 2S. This is the newest release from DJI. This drone offers a lot of improvements in safety and also in the recording modes. With the master shot theme filming, DJI is changing the game once more. It has a 3-axis gimbal with 22mm lens, focus track, 4-direction obstacle avoidance, and it takes pictures at 20 megapixels and records video at 5.4 Ultra HD. It records hyperlapse and time-lapse too. The price is $1,299 US for the Fly More combo. Number 5, the EACHINE 520S. This drone is also cheaper than any of the DJI drones. The camera resolution is 8 megapixels. It records 4K and 2K video, and it has a good battery range. Something to keep in mind is that it does not have an image stabilization. So that means that when you fly the drone, if you're recording, the footage might be shaky. Alright guys, so these are what I think the best beginner drones for 2021. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and see you guys next time. Peace.